and today I will be teaching the female cadets how to put their hair into a bun. The first step we will be taking is to brush our hair. The reason we do this is so that we don't have any knots. Having knotty hair results in a messy bun. Therefore, we need to brush our hair. Once this is complete, you will then grab an elastic, typically one that matches your hair color, and put it into a tight, low ponytail. The reason for a low ponytail is so that when the bun is complete, it won't interfere with your wedge. The next step we will be taking is to either gel our hair and then put our hair into a bun, or we put our hair into a bun and then gel our hair. Either way, the outcome is the same. What I will be doing is gelling my hair and then putting it into a bun. Now, you can either use gel or you can use hairspray. Either works. Use your hands and put it over your head. Gel will keep the flyaways down and will result in a better looking bun. After this is done to your satisfaction, you will then grab either another elastic or two or more, whatever keeps your hair in the bun. You will grab your elastic, grab your hair. What I like to do is twist my hair first and then put it into a bun, as it is easier to make the bun. But how you make the bun is different from how others will make their bun. Once that step is complete, you will then grab a hairnet and wrap it around your bun. Now, this is what a hairnet looks like. It's practically see-through. Now, the purpose of the hairnet is to keep the flyaways inside the bun. Now, depending on the thickness of your hair and how much hair you have, you may have to use one or more hairnets. You can buy hairnets at Dollarama, Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, anywhere where there's hair products, basically. You can reuse your hairnet unless it's got holes in it. Once this step is complete, you will then inspect your head and then you will look for flyaways at the front and the back. If there are any flyaways, you will then grab either a bobby pin or a clip. Now, you will use the bobby pin and the clip to tie down the flyaways. While doing this step, you may need help, or you may need an extra mirror, and hold it like this and then use your other hand to put the bobby pin in. Or in my case where I didn't have a mirror, you can just feel along your head and feel for the bumps. And then once you feel the bumps, you push it to the back closer to the bun, and then you would clip it or bobby pin it down. Thank you. I'm Flight Sergeant Yates. Hopefully you learned how to put your hair into a bun.